So here you will see it. I will just created my recently account and you will be just selected from this magic avatars. So here if I just tap on this Egyptian, so I will be just tap on continue with the one style, and I will again just tap on it to continue. So I will be just uploaded the photos from here. So you will see, you will be just take pictures of this type, and I will be just selected. So it will be just importing my photo. So but right now I will just zero balance for the avatars, but you will have to purchase a plan of this premium subscription of this Lensa AI. So then you will be able to making photos in avatar. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.